15th question. Limit extends to infinity, x square plus 2x minus 1 in under root minus x. Options are infinity, 1 by 2, 4, 1. So, limit extends to infinity and something function we have. For this type of model questions, we need to rationalize the term. So, what term we have? Limit extends to infinity, x square plus 2x minus 1 under root minus x. Here rationalize this function, x square 2x minus 1 plus x by x square plus 2x minus 1 plus x. The numerator, this is a minus b, a plus b. So, a minus b into a plus b is nothing but a square minus b square. So, limit extends to infinity, a square is what? X square plus 2x plus 1 under root whole square minus x square by x square plus 2x plus 1 under root plus x. Square root cancel. So, limit extends to infinity. So, x square plus 2x plus 1 minus x square cancel. Under root x square plus 2x plus 1 plus x. Here left out term is what? 2x plus 1. So, by limit extends to infinity. So, here under root x square take common. So, here 1 plus 2 by x plus 1 by x square plus x. So, outside the root is what? Limit extends to infinity. So, here also numerator x take common, that is 2 plus 1 by x by here x square and these are in root. So, x square outside is nothing but what? X. X take common here, x into. Here left out term is what? Under root 1 plus 2 by x plus 1 by x square. So, here also x we have plus outside it is root 1 common, this x cancel. So, here as x is approaches to infinity, 1 by x tends to 0. So, that 1 by x tends to 0, substitute this part 0, this part 0 and this part 0. So, 2 by 1, answer is 2 by 1, 2, answer is 15th question. Next, limit extends to infinity, 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on plus n by n square. So, options are 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4. So, numerator is nothing but what? 1 plus 2 plus 3 is nothing but sum of the natural numbers. So, sum of the natural numbers formula is what? N into n plus 1 by 2. So, denominator already n square we have, that is limit n extends to infinity. So, here this we can write, this is by 1. So, limit n tends to infinity. So, n into n plus 1 by 2n square you will get. So, n already is there, here 1 n take common, n into 1 plus 1 by n by 2n square. Here n square cancel. So, limit n tends to infinity, extends to infinity. So, answer is what? 1 plus this extends to infinity is nothing but what? 1 by extends to 0. So, this part is 0 and this answer is 2. Answer is 1 by 2. So, 1 by 2 is the correct option. 16th question, log limit extends to 0, log 1 plus x by 3 power x minus 1. So, options are log 3 to the base e 0, 1, log e to the base 3. Here we have one standard form with in denominator x, log of 1 plus x by x it is 1. So, here also it is x is what? A power x minus 1 by x is one more formula we have, direct formula we have. So, for that we need to divide the numerator and denominator by x. So, divide numerator and denominator by x. So, limit extends to 0, log of 1 plus x by x in the numerator by limit extends to 0, separate I am writing. So, 3 power x minus 1 by x. This is one standard limit, that answer is what? 1. This is standard limit, that answer is what? Log 3 to the base e. So, log 3 to the base e is first option correct. So, first one is the option. Limit extends to infinity, 2 power x into sine of a by 2 power x. So options are 0, 2, log 2, a. Come to this question. Here sin x we have, suppose this treat as sin x. Sin x by x, it is standard limit 1. So for that we need to multiply and divide it with a by 2 power x. So limit extends to infinity, 2 power x into sine of a by 2 power x. Here multiply a by 2 power x into divide a by 2 power x. So this one is one function. So limit extends to infinity, 2 power x into, this answer is what? 1. So 1 into, so a by 2 power x. So 2 power x cancel. So it is limit extends to infinity. So a only constant, that answer is a only. Answer is a, fourth option. Limit extends to infinity, x plus a by x plus b in power x plus b. So this is also one point infinity model. Already we discussed this type of question. Answer again. Options are 1 e power b minus a, e power a minus b, e power b. So this question 1 plus standard form f of x to the power g of x model. For this e power limit extends to infinity, f of x into g of x. So we need to get first f of x. That is not in the standard form. First need to add and subtract 1. So limit extends to infinity, 1 plus x plus a by x plus b minus 1 power x plus b. So here limit extends to infinity, this one is f of x. So for that 1 plus x plus a by x, LCM is x plus b. So minus of x plus b power x plus b. So limit extends to infinity, 1 plus x plus a minus x minus b by x plus b. So minus x plus x cancel. So limit extends to infinity. So 1 plus a minus b by x plus b is the function. So x plus b. So this one is what? F of x. This one what? G of x. Write in this formula. So e power limit extends to infinity. So f of x function is what? A minus b by x plus b into g of x is what? X plus b. So here x take common in the numerator. E power a minus b is constant into limit extends to infinity. Here x take common in the numerator. So that is 1 plus b by x. By denominator also take common. So here x into 1 plus b by x. So this part 0, limit extends to infinity, 1 by x tends to 0. So this is also 0. X cancel. So e power a minus b is the answer. So e power a minus b. So e power a minus b, this third option is the correct option. So we need to get in the standard form of limit extends to infinity, f of x into g of x. We are getting the concept that nothing but what we are taken in the x common in the numerator and x denominator in the combinator taken common, get cancelled. After that, as x is approaches to infinity, 1 by x tends to 0. So that 1 by means b by x 0 and denominator also b by x 0. So answer is what? E power a minus b is the correct answer. Limit extends to infinity, 3 mod x plus 2x by 7 mod x minus 5x. Options are 5 by 2, minus 1 by 12, 1 does not exist. Here simple case, x is approaches to positive infinity, it is approaches from positive side on the real number. So limit extends to infinity, this 3 mod x 2x by 7 mod x minus 5x. X is approaches to infinity, positive side, it is nothing but what? X definition is, mod x definition is plus x if x is greater than 0 or x tends to infinity, minus x if x is less than 0 or x tends to minus infinity. This case will follow. Why? Because it is a x tends to positive infinity. So that part plus x plus mod x limit extends to infinity 3 of just plus x we take, plus x case, plus 2x by 7 into, here also plus x we need to take, minus 5x. So 3x plus 2x, 5x by 7 minus 2, 2x, x cancel, limit extends to infinity. So 5 by 2 is the answer. 5 by 2 is the answer. First option is the correct answer. Limit extends to minus infinity, 4x minus 5 mod x by 3 mod x plus x. Options are minus 1 by 4, minus 9 by 2, 1 does not exist. Here also, here x is approaches to minus infinity. So mod x can take minus x if x is less than 0. Nothing but what? X is approaches to minus infinity case. So direct limit extends to infinity, minus infinity. 4x you take, minus 5 of this minus x you take, by 3 into minus x plus x. So here 4x plus 5x by minus 3x plus x. So limit extends to infinity, minus infinity, 9x by minus 2x, x cancel, limit extends to infinity, minus infinity, so 9 by 2. So minus 9 by 2 is the correct answer, minus 9 by 2. Second option is the correct answer. So 21, limit extends to 0, e power x minus e power sin x by 2 into x minus sin x is 0 by 0 form you will get by using L'Hospital rule. Direct limit extends to 0. First derivative of the numerator function is e power x is e power x minus e power sin x is e power sin x and sin x derivative is cos x. By denominator derivatives 2 is constant, x derivative is 1, sin x derivative is cos x. When substitute x equals 0, again it is going to 0 by 0 form. Again we need to go for the second order derivatives. Limit extends to 0, e power x is e power x. Here uv derivative minus u into derivative of cos x is what? Minus sin x plus cos x into derivative of e power sin x is what? E power sin x and sin x derivative is cos x by 2 into 1 minus cos x. Cos x derivative is 1 0 minus of minus sin x. So limit extends to 0, e power x minus plus sin x into e power sin x minus cos square x into e power sin x by 2 sin x. So again 0 by 0 form. So limit extends to 0, again go for the next derivative third order. So e power x is e power x, again uv. So minus common of sin x into derivative of e power sin x is e power sin x into sin x derivative is cos x plus e power sin x in e power sin x as it is, e power sin x into derivative of sin x is what? Cos x, first bracket over, minus again uv rule here, minus that I am writing here, minus cos square x is u, here derivative of e power sin x is e power sin x into sin x derivative is cos x plus e power sin x as it is, derivative of cos square x is 2 cos x, cos x derivative is minus sin x by 2 sin x derivative is 2 cos x. Now substitute x equals 0 in the numerator. E power 0, that is 1, minus sin 0 is nothing but what? This result is complete 0. Here e power sin 0 0 into cos 0 1, cos 0 minus cos square of 0 also it is 1, e power sin 0 it is 1 plus e power 0 into this sin we have, this part will be complete 0 by 2 cos 0 is nothing but what? 1 cos 0. So e power 0 is what? 1, anything to the power 0 is 1, minus 1 minus here also 1 plus 0. So 1 1 cancel, answer is minus 1. Minus 1 is the answer, correct option. If function defined f maps R to R, real number to real number, is defined by f of x equals to x minus 2 by x square minus 3x plus 2 if x is belongs to R minus of 1 comma 2, 2 if x is equals to 1, 1 if x is equals to 2. So then limit x tends to 2, f of x minus f of 2 by x minus 2 answer we need to find. Options are 0, minus 1, 1, minus 1 by 2. Here, so limit exists for only this exceptional case 1 and 2. So he is asking about 2. So here also for this L'Hospital rule apply, limit extends to 2, here f dash of x minus f dash of 2 constant is 0 by x derivative is 1, constant derivative is 0. So finally limit extends to 2, f dash of x. So f dash of x is what? This function f of x equals to this function you select separately, f of x equals to x minus 2 by x square minus 3x plus 2. Factorize the denominator. So x minus 2 by x square minus 2x minus x plus 2. So x minus 2 by x take common in the first two terms. So that is x minus 2 minus 1 take common x minus 2. So x minus 2 by x minus 2 again common. So x minus 2 into x minus 1. So x minus 2 is cancel, only x minus 1 it is denominator. So f of x becomes 1 by x minus 1. So limit extends to 2. So f of x we got, f dash of x we need to find here only, f dash of x it is nothing but what? 1 by x derivative is what? Minus 1 by x square. So derivative of x 1, derivative of minus 1 is 0. So minus 1 by x minus 1 whole square. So this answer is what? Minus 1 by x minus 1 whole square. So x is approaches to 2, substitute 2 here. So 1 by 2 minus 1 whole square. So it is nothing but what? 1 by 1 square, it is nothing but 1. 1 option is, third option is the correct answer. If f of x equals to x tan inverse x, then limit x tends to 1, f of x minus f of 1 by x minus 1. Options are pi by 4, pi plus 1 by 4, pi plus 2 by 4, pi plus 3 by 4. This is also previous model question only. So here limit extends to 1, f of x minus f of 1 by x minus 1. Here also L'Hospital rule apply. So limit extends to 1, f dash of x by 1 you will get. So f of x function is given x tan inverse x. This derivative you do. So f dash of x is equals to uv. U into derivative of x is tan inverse of x is derivative is what? 1 by 1 plus x square plus tan inverse x is as it is into derivative of x is what? 1. So here x by 1 plus x square plus tan inverse x. Now come to this. Here x is approaches to 1. F dash of x we got. Here 1 substitute in this function. 1 by 1 plus 1 whole square plus tan inverse 1. Tan inverse 1. So this 1 can be written as 1 tan pi by 4 we can write. So the tan pi by 4 substitute here. This 1 by 2 plus tan inverse of tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4. So theta remains here pi by 4. So here 1 by 2 plus pi by 4. LCM you take. LCM is what? 4. 2 plus pi. So 2 plus pi by 4. 2 plus 5 by 4. This third option is the correct option. Next question, 24th question. Limit extends to a under root of a plus 2x minus under root of 3x by under root of 3a plus x minus under root of 4x. Options are 2 by root 3 minus 1 by root 3. Third option is 2 by 3 root 3 and fourth option is 1 by root 3. This type of questions, if you substitute x equals to a, again it is going to form 0 by 0 form. So indeterminate form. So we can use L'Hospital rule. So L'Hospital rule, limit extends to a, direct differentiate of root x derivative is what? Derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So here 1 by 2 root over a plus 2x. So inner function derivative is constant a0 plus 2x is derivative is 2 plus minus 1 by 2 root 3x root x 3x derivative is what 3 by 1 by 2 root over 3a plus x 3a derivative is 0 plus 1 minus 1 by 2 root over 4x derivative of 4x is what 4. Next simplify this, limit extends to a, 2 cancel, 1 by a plus 2x under root minus 3 by 2 root 3x by 2 root 3a plus x minus 2 by 4x under root. So substitute the limit extends to a. So 1 by a plus 2a minus 3 by 2 root over 3a by 2 root over 3a plus a minus 2 by 4 root a. 1 by 2 plus 1 3a minus 3 by 2 root 3a by 2 into root 4a minus 2 by root 4a. So in numerator 1 by root 3a is common is there. So 1 minus 3, that is by 1 by 4 root a common is there, 1 by 4 root a, it is an under root 4a. So your answer is what? 1 by 2 minus 2. So here root a cancel. So this is 3 root 3 by 4, 4 can be written as 2 into this is minus 2 by 1 minus 4 by 2, this 2 cancel. So minus here minus root 3 minus 2 root 3 by minus 3. So minus plus here 2 into root 3 by denominator 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. So 1 root 3 cancel, 2 by root 3 is the answer. 2 by root 3 is the answer. First option correct. 25th question, limit f of a is 2 given and f dash of a 1, g of a is minus 1 and g dash of a equals 2 given. Limit extends to a g of x into f of a minus g of a into f of x by x minus a. This question by L'Hospital rule we can do. Limit extends to a. Here only one function is there, that function derivative is what? G dash of x into f of a is as it is minus g of a is a constant function and f of x derivative is f dash of x by derivative of x is 1, derivative of minus a is what? 0. So limit extends to a value substituted in place of x. So that is g dash of a into f of a minus g of a into f dash of a by 1, no need of writing. So g dash of a is answer is what? 2 into f of a is what? 2 minus g of a is minus 1. So g of a is what? Minus 1 into f dash of a is what? 1. So 2 to the 4 minus plus 1. So answer is 5. 5 is the option. Limit extends to pi 1 minus tan x to the power cot x. So options are e power 4, e power minus 1, e power minus 4. So this is in the form of 1 power infinity model. So that format is what? Limit extends to 0, 1 plus f of x to the power g of x. That answer is what? Limit extends to pi. Here it is 0. This is a formula model. So limit extends to 0, f of x into g of x. So we are going to conduct into this model. So limit extends to pi. So 1 plus minus tan x to the power cot x. So here 1 f of x, this is g of x. So here e power limit extends to pi, f of x is what? Minus tan x into cot x, g of x. So this cot x can be written as tan x, e power limit extends to pi minus tan x, cot x can be written as 1 by tan x. So tan x cancel. So e power minus 1 is the answer. E power minus 1 is the answer. Here minus 1 is there. So e power minus 1 is the answer. That is option third. Next question. This question we can get two standard forms. So first in the numerator x take common, limit extends to 0, x take common, that is 10 power x minus 1 by 1 minus cos x. So divide numerator and denominator by x square. So limit extends to 0, x into 10 power x minus 1 by x square by limit extends to 0, 1 minus cos x by x square. Here 1x cancel, numerator direct standard formula, a power x minus 1 by x answer is what? A power x answer. So log 10 to the base e whatever it is by, here limit extends to 0, 1 minus cos x can be written as 2 sin square x by 2 by x square we have. So here square terms we have means here 4 multiply divide. So here it is nothing but what? This part is standard limit. So into 2. So 2 right outside. So 2 into limit extends to 0 sin x by 2 by x by 2 we can write whole square into 1 by 4. So this one is 1 square. Here 2 into 1 by 4. So 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the, this 2 also cancel. So just log 10 is the answer. So log 10 is what? This option, correct. Here 2 is there. Here one more 2 is there. One more 2 is there. 2 2s are 4. If limit extends to 0, log of 3 plus x minus log of 3 minus x by x is equals to k. Then find the value of k. Then find value of k. So options are minus 2 by 3, 0, minus 1 by 3, 2 by 3. Here this is, we can use by L'Hospital rule. So limit extends to 0, log x derivative is 1 by 3 plus x, derivative of 3 plus x is what? 0 plus 1 minus 1 by 3 minus x, derivative of 3 is 0, minus derivative is minus x derivative is minus 1 by derivative of x is 1. So if 1 by 3 plus x minus minus plus 1 by 3 minus x by 1. So x is approaches to 0. So substitute 0 value in x, 1 by 3 plus 0 plus 1 by 3 plus 3 minus 0. So what is the answer? 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. So 2 by 3 is the answer. So 2 by 3, fourth option, correct option. Next question, 29. Limit n tends to infinity, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus and so on, plus 2n minus 1 by 2 plus 4 plus 6 and so on, plus 2n. So then first option is 0, 1, minus 1, 5. Here numerator is some series is given. That is what? 1 plus 3 plus 5. So sum of odd natural number, odd numbers. So denominator is what? 2 plus 4 plus 6, sum of even numbers. So for that we have two formulas. We have limit n tends to infinity. So sum of odd natural number, odd numbers formula is what? N square by denominator sum of the even numbers, nothing but what? N square plus n. So limit n tends to infinity, n square is as it is, in the denominator n square take common, 1 plus 1 by n. So n square cancel. So limit n tends to infinity, 1 by 1 plus 1 by n is there. So here as n is tends to infinity, 1 by n is tends to 0. So limit 1 by n tends to 0, 1 by 1 plus 1 by n. So 1 by 1 plus 0. So that is 1 by 1, answer is 1, second option. So limit extends to 0, here x into tan 2x formula apply, tan 2 theta formula. 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x minus 2x tan x by 1 minus cos square, cos 2x formula is for 2 sin square x whole square. So limit extends to 0. Here x 2 tan x common, x 2 tan x, everything common. So x into 2 into tan x take common in the numerator. So 1 by 1 minus tan square x minus 1 by 4 into sin power 4 x. So limit extends to 0. 2x into tan x into LCM you take 1 minus of 1 minus tan square x by 1 minus tan square x by 4 sin power 4x. Next here minus 1 plus 1 cancel, minus of minus plus tan square x. So limit extends to 0, 2x tan x into tan square x by 4 into sin power 4x. Here 1 2 cancel, 1 by 2 right outside, limit extends to 0. Here tan x into tan x, tan cube x, tan cube x into x by sin power 4x. So for we need to get standard forms in the numerator denominator, we require to multiply and divided x power 4. So limit extends to 0, x tan cube x by x power 4 by limit extends to 0, sin power 4x by x power 4. So here 1x cancel, this is standard limit, tan cube x by x, whole cube is nothing but 1 cube, that 1 cube answer in the numerator by, so sin x power 4 by x power 4, this is also standard form, 1 power 4, answer is 1 by 1, nothing but what, 1, answer is, I forgot to write 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, here 1 by 2, here 1 by 2 into this. So 1 by 2 is the answer, 1 by 2, third option is correct answer. If f dash of 2 is 2, f double dash of 2 is what, 1, then limit extends to 2, 2x square minus 4 into f dash of x by x minus 2. Answers are 4, 0, 2, infinity. Here also we can use L'Hospital rule. Limit extends to 2, 2x square, answer is what, 4x minus 4 constant double dash of x by 1, 1 minus 0. So x 2 substitute 4 into 2 minus 4 into f dash of 2. So 8 minus 4 into f dash of 2 is what? F dash of 2 answer is 1. So 1. So 8 minus 4, that is 4. 4 answer. Answer is first option. Next question. Limit extends to 0. 5 power x minus 1 by 1 plus x under root minus 1. So options are 5 log 25, log 5, log 25, log 2. Here also limit extends to 0. 5 power x minus 1 by x we should get, means one standard form is there. For that we need to rationalize the denominator, 1 plus x under root minus 1. So 1 plus x plus 1 by 1 plus x under root plus 1. So limit extends to 0. 5 power x minus 1 into 1 plus x under root plus 1 by a minus b, a plus b. So 1 plus x, a square minus b square. So limit extends to 0. 5 power x minus 1 by square and root cancel. So 1 plus x plus 1. So 1 plus x minus 1, 1 cancel. So here standard limit separate. Limit extends to 0. 5 power x minus 1 by only 1x is there here. Limit extends to 0. 1 plus x under root plus 1. So this one is nothing but standard limit log 5 to the base e into this is 1 plus 0 plus 1 in brackets. So root 1 is 1, 1 plus 1, 2. 2 log 5. So this 2 can be written as log m log a can be written as log a power m. So log 2 into 5, 25. So log 25 is the answer. Log 25, third option is the correct option. Next question, 35th question. Limit extends to 0. A power x minus 1 by b power x minus 1. Answer is log a by log b, log of a by b, log a minus b, log b to the base a. So here divide by this numerator and denominator x, you will get the standard form, that is a power x minus 1 by x. So that is limit extends to 0, a power x minus 1 by x by limit extends to 0, b power x minus 1 by x. So this answer is what? Log A to the base E by log B to the base B. So log A by log B. So answer is what? First option. First option is the correct option. Limit extends to 0, 1 minus e power x into sin x by x square plus x cube. So first option is minus 1, second option is 0, third option is 1, fourth option is 2. Here also we need to change some standard limits for minus take common in the numerator, limit extends to 0, minus e power x minus 1 into sin x by x square take common 1 plus x. So minus 1 limit extends to 0, e power x minus 1 by 1x right here standard limit, and limit extends to 0, sin x by remaining one more x here, x here, and into 1 by limit extends to 0, 1 plus x. So this is standard limit, already minus 1 we have 1, this is also standard limit 1 into 1 by 1 plus 0. So minus 1 into 1 plus 1 by into minus 1 by 1. It is nothing but what? Minus 1. Minus 1 is the answer. First option correct. Next question. Limit extends to 1, x square minus 1 by mod of x minus 1. So options are 1, second option 2, second option is minus 2, third option is infinity, fourth option is does not exist. See, your limit extends to